Hi there, here's the overview video of the Haymarket Marketing Cloud Connector, using which we are able to integrate Haymarket in Marketing Cloud Journey Builder journeys. So Marketing Cloud Journey Builder is one of the powerful tool using which we can have a one-to-one customer interaction using the different activities. So these activities are the building block for any journey, and Marketing Cloud provides a flexibility using which you can create your own custom activities. So same we have done, using which we are able to integrate the hey market messaging, checking the status of message and checking the reply of a message in journey builder. So the package that we have published is already live on app action. So let me give you the overview that how this package works and what are the main components of this package. Haymarket SFMC connector comes with two main components. First is the admin configuration screen, and another is the pack of activities, which include SMS, status, and the reply activity. So first, let's deep dive into the admin configuration. So this admin configuration screen is used for configuring the Haymarket app. Admin configuration screen, user can do the one-time configuration where they can configure the Haymarket access key, and after successfully configuring the Haymarket access key, then they will get the option to configure the user mapping. Over there they can configure which inbox and which user is going to be used as a default fallback user for sending the SMS in the journeys. So all the SMS is going to be sent by that user as a owner of that SMS. So once this configuration thing is done, then they just need to click on the save and all the mappings get saved. So now let's navigate to the activity. Haymarket package comes with a pack of three activities in which is a send SMS, status, and the reply. The major activity that we are having a send SMS. So send SMS activity comes with the different sections. First is configuring the sender details, and other is configuring the SMS details. So in this activity, we can configure the template of sending SMS. As we click on the sender details, so this is the same configuration that we did in admin dashboard for configuring the fallback user. Using this, we can change the fallback user for specific journey. Let's suppose for this journey I want to make it some different, I can make it over here. Then comes the recipient phone field, using which we can change. If we have multiple phone fields in the data extension, then we can select it over there. Then we are having a template text. So this template text is going to be using the merge tokens by from the data extension, is going to send the SMS. But instead of typing the text again and again, we can also use the Haymarket templates directly and map it with the data extension fields. And one more important thing is it automatically intelligent maps the data extension fields, the Haymarket field directly, by remembering your previous mapping. So over here, I can make the mailing city with some other like ID or something. And once I save it, that's done. Now, next thing that we have is let's for further customizing a template. Let's suppose one template is sent and we still want to further customize it, then we can also do it. Just select for a specific text where you want to replace with a specific data extension field, so you can do it. Let's suppose for this I want to ID change first name, it is going to change the thing. And instead of if you want to do some other, if you want to insert any other way, then you can also do it. Like suppose over here, and you can at any position you can do it. Now the next comes is the media. So using this we can also send any image, or we can also search for an image, and we can also upload an image. So I'll try to upload any image. So let's suppose I select this image, I upload it. So using this I can upload an image, and the next thing that we are having a summary section, using which we can check the summary of our template. So these fields, name, first name, owner, email, is going to be mapped from the data extension to this SMS activity when we are going to send the SMS. So once we click on done, that's it. So after configuring the SMS activity, now next comes the status activity, which can be added after a Haymarket SMS activity to check the status of a sent SMS. So it drives the journey in the basis of sent, delivery field, or missing phone. So as you click on status activity over here, you just need to select the send SMS activity as an input, and that's it. Now once a SMS is going to be sent from this sent activity, it is going to drive split the journey on the basis of these branches. So after SMS is sent, now let's suppose you want to check whether somebody replied or not. Then we are having a reply activity for that, in which it drives the branch on the basis of somebody replied, not replied, or a missing phone. As you click on over here, just select the reply, status activity, or a send at SMS activity. It is going to split the branch on the basis of this. So that's it for these two activities. Now let's see in the next I will show you how we can analyze the text response. So after configuring all the activity, the last thing that we have is text response analysis. So once our user replies to our SMS, then we can still further analyze their response, whether the reply that they have done is a positive reply, negative reply, or any other business use case that we want. So for that, we are going to we are using the normal decision split activity of the marketing cloud. And as we click on I'm going to give you an overview. So this is a text response analysis. For positive, what we are checking, if message contain yes or interested, then we are making as a positive response, and for negative we are making no or a not, then it is going to be a negative response. If nothing match, then it is going to be in a reminder. So this is a small text response analysis that we are doing using the marketing cloud decision space activity. So I hope that's it for this whole demo video, and if you have any queries, then please let us know. So that's it. Bye bye.